Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a USB device not recognized in Windows 10 or 11. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you need to make sure that your USB cable can transfer data and not only can charge. So basically, for example, when you're trying to buy a USB cable, should be, as you can see here, transfer things. Basically, it should be on the title that that USB cable can transfer data, because if you just plug in only charging a cable, instantly you get the error here. So you just need to then, if you just plugging the thing here and you're getting instantly error, you just need to change your cable, because it's only charging, there is no data transfer, right? And if it's not the case, then we can proceed with other steps. So first of all, you need to go on search, then you need to write power options, and then edit power plan will be here. Then you need to look for power options, press on that, then select change when the computer sleeps, then change advanced settings, then on new window here you should find USB settings, double click, then select USB selective suspend setting and disable this option, apply, OK. Next thing, what you need to do here, you need to open up, as you can see here, your disk C. Then you need to look for Windows. Then on Windows you need to look for as you can see here, this folder here, INF. And then on search, once you're on this folder, you need to write WPD, and then you need to write MTP, right? And then you will find these files here. So as you can see here, these files, we need to look into it. So you just need to right click on it, and then install. And then you get operation completed successfully option, and also do the same with this file as well. And after that, look if the problem persists. Next thing, what you can do here, you need to open up search, and then you just need to write create and format, right? Create and format hard disk partitions, press on that, and then on this new window, find your external disk, and then right click on it. Then select change drive letter and paths, then select add, and if there is an option, change letter of your external drive, right? And if the option is grayed out for you, like for me, then you just need to, on this window, press change, and then you can change letter here, right? And after that, restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. And the last thing, what you can do here, you need to open up device manager. Then on device manager here, scroll down until you see universal serial bus controllers. Expand this option, and then you will see a lot of things here. So you just need to one by one right click and update driver and search automatically for drivers. And then you need to do with all of them. And after that, to do so, you need to look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, and if there is a standard enhanced PSI to USB host controller option for you here, what you need to do here is to right click on it, uninstall device, and after that, simply just restart your computer, and then look if the problem persists. And yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.